Welcome to this journey through the landscape of modern education. Let's begin by taking a closer look at where we stand today. Traditional teaching methods dominate today's classrooms, with lessons often delivered through lectures where students passively receive information. But are these methods truly effective? We see students lined up in rows, listening, taking notes, but how much are they truly engaging with the material? The reality is stark. Student engagement is at an all-time low. This passive form of learning often leaves students disengaged, lacking the enthusiasm and involvement necessary for deep understanding. Traditional methods emphasize rote memorization, often stifling creativity and critical thinking. Teachers work tirelessly to transfer knowledge, but the results frequently fall short. It's evident that merely listening isn't enough for a robust educational experience. Our students deserve more than just the delivery of information. They deserve an environment that fosters genuine curiosity and active participation. As we explore these educational dynamics, it's clear that the time for change is now. We must seek methods that do more than just inform. We must inspire, engage, and transform. Stay with us as we delve into the innovative world of active learning and discover how it could revolutionize teaching and learning for the better. Welcome to our journey into the transformative world of active learning. In today's evolving educational landscape, active learning stands out as a method that engages students in the learning process. Unlike traditional passive lectures, active learning involves activities like discussions, problem solving, and collaborative projects, making students part of their own educational journey. At its core, active learning encourages students to actively participate and engage with the material, fostering a deeper understanding and retention of knowledge. This approach has ancient roots, but has significantly evolved, especially in recent decades, as educators recognize the limitations of traditional methods. From Socratic dialogues in ancient Greece to the latest educational technology innovations, active learning has continually adapted. As students moved from passive recipients of information to active participants, the benefits became clear. Higher engagement levels, improved critical thinking skills, and better retention of information. As we continue, you'll discover how these foundational ideas translate into practical techniques and hear success stories from schools that have embraced this approach. Stay tuned to uncover how active learning can profoundly impact education today and in the future. Active learning is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative approach reshaping how we engage with students. One of the standout benefits is improved student engagement. When students participate actively, they become more invested in the material and motivated to succeed. Active learning also contributes to better retention of information. Traditional lectures often overwhelm students with facts, but active learning techniques allow for practical application and reflection. This hands-on approach helps information stick, making it easier for students to recall what they've learned when it matters most. Additionally, active learning enhances critical thinking skills. By involving students in discussions, problem-solving activities, and real-world scenarios, they learn to analyze, evaluate, and create, skills crucial not only in academics, but in everyday life. As we delve deeper into this educational evolution, we'll uncover more methods and stories that illustrate the power of active learning. Next, we will explore the limitations of traditional methods and how active learning overcomes them. In the evolving landscape of education, traditional methods are falling short. They often foster a passive learning environment where students are mere recipients of information. This lack of engagement results in minimal interaction and participation, making it hard for students to stay motivated. Furthermore, these methods often fail to stimulate critical thinking, leading to limited cognitive growth. What can be done to address these shortcomings? That's where active learning comes into play. By shifting the focus from passive observation to active participation, we can transform our classrooms. Implementing active learning techniques can breathe new life into educational settings, enhancing student engagement and encouraging critical thinking. Stay with us as we delve into these innovative methods and uncover their profound impact. Active learning techniques are a gateway to deeper engagement and understanding for students. Let's start with group discussions. When students collaborate, share ideas, and debate topics, they develop critical thinking and communication skills. Next, let's delve into hands-on activities. These methods are essential for tactile learners who thrive on direct interaction with material. By building, experimenting, and exploring, students connect theory with practice, leading to better retention and comprehension. Then there's peer teaching. Here, students become educators, explaining concepts to classmates. This reinforces their own understanding and fosters a cooperative learning environment where everyone benefits. By incorporating these active learning techniques, we move beyond passive education. Group discussions, hands-on activities, and peer teaching transform the classroom into a dynamic space where students are at the center of their own learning journey. You'll see real-world examples of these techniques in action, demonstrating their lasting impact on student engagement and success. At School A, active learning was implemented with remarkable success. The journey wasn't without its challenges. Initially, the faculty faced resistance to change and logistical hurdles in restructuring traditional teaching methods. However, the school's commitment to fostering an engaging and participatory learning environment led to extraordinary outcomes. Teachers at School A embraced various active learning techniques, from group projects to peer teaching, ensuring students were consistently engaged. As new methods were practiced, initial obstacles gradually turned into invaluable learning experiences for both educators and students. What makes School A's story compelling are its success metrics. Student engagement levels soared, test scores improved, and critical thinking skills saw a noticeable boost across all grade levels. The data paint a clear picture. Active learning not only captured students' interest, but also enhanced their overall academic performance. School A exemplifies how overcoming initial setbacks can lead to exceptional educational transformation. As we move forward, you'll see how another school navigated similar challenges and achieved impressive results. School B also embarked on the journey of active learning, witnessing notable transformations along the way. Their primary focus was on engaging students more effectively through interactive activities and hands-on projects. However, the path wasn't without challenges. Teachers had to adjust to new methods, and initially resistant students had to be coaxed out of their comfort zones. Yet, like many pioneering endeavors, these obstacles led to remarkable breakthroughs. Despite obstacles, the determination of School B's educators and students led to impressive success metrics. Student engagement levels soared, participation rates improved, and academic performance increased noticeably. Assessments showed significant improvements in critical thinking and retention rates among students. The case of School B exemplifies how perseverance and dedication can overcome initial hurdles, illuminating the way for other institutions looking to implement active learning. This real-world example emphasizes the transformative power of active learning in creating dynamic and impactful educational experiences. Next, we'll explore the perspectives of students and discover how their engagement and outcomes have been altered by active learning. In an era where education is evolving, one of the most compelling shifts comes from the student experience. Students across various schools have echoed a common sentiment. Active learning has rejuvenated their engagement levels and dramatically improved their learning outcomes. Unlike traditional passive classroom setups, active learning invites students to participate, collaborate, and think critically. Imagine being part of a discussion where every voice is heard, or engaging in hands-on activities that bring theoretical concepts to life. These experiences are not just more enjoyable, but also lead to better retention and understanding. Many students report that active learning has made them more enthusiastic about their studies and confident in their abilities. The shift from being passive recipients to active participants opens up a world of opportunities. This transformation in student experience is a testament to the potential of active learning in redefining educational success. Next, let's delve into the perspectives of teachers and administrators who have witnessed firsthand the compelling changes active learning can bring to the educational landscape. Teachers have always strived to create meaningful and engaging learning environments. Active learning has truly transformed their classrooms, breathing new life into the educational process. Teachers now witness students actively participating and collaborating, significantly shifting classroom dynamics. This approach fosters a more interactive and supportive atmosphere where teaching outcomes surpass traditional methods. For many educators, the journey towards active learning has not been without challenges, but the rewards are evident. They've found that incorporating group discussions, hands on activities, and peer teaching not only elevates student engagement, but also enhances the overall learning experience. Through their unique perspectives and experiences, teachers affirm that active learning encourages critical thinking and deepens students' understanding of the material. It's more than a trend, it's a paradigm shift in education. As we move forward, we'll delve into the administrative perspectives, showing how school leaders support this impactful transformation. Administrators play a crucial role in the implementation of active learning. Their support and vision can drive policy changes that cascade throughout the entire educational system. Feedback from administrators points to a significant positive impact. Schools that have embraced active learning have noted marked improvements in student engagement and overall school performance. These leaders have witnessed firsthand how active learning revitalizes classrooms, turning passive education into dynamic experiences. Policy adjustments that encourage active learning methodologies have proven beneficial, not just for students, but also for faculty, urging a shift from conventional teaching practices. These innovative measures are fostering an environment ripe for educational success. But what do these changes look like day to day? From administrative support structures to new teaching policies, the ripple effect of active learning spans wide. This isn't just about tweaking lesson plans, it's an entire cultural shift within schools. Next, let's explore how these policies translate into tangible classroom experiences and hear from those facing the challenges and rewards of transformative teaching daily. In the journey of implementing active learning, challenges are inevitable. Yet every obstacle presents an opportunity for growth. Common hurdles like time constraints, lack of resources, and resistance to change can seem daunting. However, innovative solutions and strategic planning can turn these challenges into stepping stones. One strategy is fostering a culture of collaboration among teachers. Sharing experiences and best practices can pave the way for smoother transitions. Additionally, integrating support systems such as ongoing professional development and accessible resources can empower educators to embrace active learning with confidence. Moreover, administrative backing plays a crucial role. Policy adjustments and school-wide initiatives can create an environment conducive to active learning, ensuring that teachers feel supported and valued. These efforts lead to enhanced student engagement, better retention of information, and the development of critical thinking skills. As we move forward, we'll explore real-life success stories showcasing the transformative power of active learning. These examples will provide insights into how educators have navigated and conquered challenges, setting a positive precedent for others. Together, we can overcome obstacles and make active learning a cornerstone of modern education. As we close our exploration into active learning, it's crucial to look ahead and envision the future. The future of education is bright, illuminated by the widespread adoption of active learning practices. Breaking away from conventional methods, active learning paves the way for more engaged and empowered students. Future trends indicate a greater emphasis on personalization, real-time feedback, and collaborative learning environments that foster critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The potential impact is profound, not just improving academic outcomes, but also preparing students for the complexities of the modern world. Imagine a future where classrooms become vibrant hubs of curiosity and creativity, driven by students eager and motivated to learn. Active learning stands at the forefront of this transformation, ready to redefine what education can be. As educators and administrators, it's within our power to shape this future. The vision is clear: an education system that prioritizes active engagement, lifelong learning, and holistic development. Together, we can bring this vision to life, creating an educational landscape where every student thrives. Stay with us for the next segment, where we encourage all educators to join the active learning movement and take the first steps towards transforming their classrooms and beyond. As our journey through the transformative power of active learning comes to a close, we encourage all educators to explore and adopt active learning techniques in their classrooms. Active learning is more than a method. It's a movement that promises to engage students, nurture critical thinking, and enhance overall educational outcomes. To support you in this endeavor, an array of resources is available, from training workshops and comprehensive guides to online communities ready to share their experiences and insights. Now is the time to take the next step. Embrace active learning and witness the remarkable improvements it can bring to your classroom. Join a community of forward-thinking educators dedicated to fostering an environment of interaction and discovery. As we move forward together, let's transform education, one innovative classroom at a time. Here are some resources to help you get started with active learning. First, explore a variety of books and articles that delve into both the theory and practice of this transformative teaching method. These resources provide a solid foundation and inspire you with real-world examples. Secondly, consider attending workshops and training sessions. These hands-on experiences allow you to interact with experts and fellow educators, gaining not only knowledge but also practical skills you can apply immediately in your classroom. Lastly, take advantage of online resources. Websites, webinars, and online courses offer a wealth of information at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to continue your professional development at your own pace. These tools will guide and support you, helping you create a more engaging and effective learning environment. The transformation to active learning is within your reach, and these resources are here to ensure your success. Stay tuned as we conclude with a summary of key points and final thoughts on making active learning a reality in every classroom. As we conclude, let's reflect on the transformative journey we've explored. From the limitations of traditional teaching to the dynamic world of active learning, it's clear that when students are actively engaged, their potential is limitless. We've delved into the benefits of active learning, seen real-world success stories, and heard firsthand from students, teachers, and administrators about the profound impact it can have. But this journey doesn't end here. The future of education can be bright and filled with innovation by embracing active learning techniques. It's within our reach to create classrooms where every student is an active participant in their learning journey. Remember, active learning is not just a method, it's a movement. It has the power to transform the educational landscape, fostering better engagement, retention, and critical thinking. We encourage you to take the next steps, implement these strategies, and witness the change in your own classrooms. Let's make active learning a reality in every classroom, and together, we can shape the future of education. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The time for transformation is now. Active learning can transform education. Let's make it a reality in every classroom.